Hey guys, Chuck's back. Yeah, two in a day. That's awesome. Maybe, oh, it might not be two in a day. It might be tomorrow. This BMS is off one of these. This is the 5 amp version. And this is the smaller version. I think it was a 2 amp version, maybe 3 amp they might say. These are the batteries they're using. They're using the same batteries they use in the cheaper Zito. No, yeah, it might have been their Zito range. I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to look it up. Well, they could have used them in these as well, but no, they didn't use them in those because they had proper 2 amp batteries. These ones are only 1300. See the 13Q? They're 1300 milliamp hour. Now I'm not sure. I'd have to look up the specs. I'll see if I can put them there. They've probably got a bigger surcharge that they'll drop. But I can tell you right now, I tried repairing this yonks ago for a vacuum cleaner I had. And I had to solder it because it was that bad. I tried to spot weld, it didn't work real well. Then I tried doing it the old-fashioned way with solder. But yeah, I think that it had a problem in this area here. These all had popped off. So that meant that the BMS couldn't pick it up. Now, taking this BMS off is not for the faint-hearted. Now, it's missing a FET up this end that fell off. I think it's over here. They're not very well made for the price that you're paying for one of these. It probably does cost a fair bit for these batteries, but like there's only 20 batteries in here, so like the 1300s, like you're looking at, I don't know, $2.40, maybe $4 a battery. So how many is that? That's $40 a pack, $80. Let's say the BMS itself, it's probably worth under $100 because they're making multiples of them. I would say, let's say that's $60 to $70 board max. They used to be cheaper, but I'm just giving them the benefit of the doubt. So the whole thing would have cost them, and if they're buying these in bulk, they're probably getting them cheaper than that. So no more than probably 150, maybe, if that. What's that? That's probably, yeah. And even if they were paying $2.40 a battery, which would be really reasonable, that's $24 each pack. That's $48, and that would be just over $100, I reckon. 120, let's say. And yet they're charging, not sure what they're charging at Bunnings for these. They're charging an arm and a leg. This came off when I was heating it up with the hot gun. But yeah, these all melt off, or you can't repair them very well. You need a whole new pack. I don't know whether you can buy a pack from China. I'm not blaming the Chinese for doing this. This is what that Ryobi has done. I'm not blaming the Ryobi either because they're doing it at a cost. So I'm not having it's not a go at anyone. It's just what I think it might be worth. It might be worth more for all I know. Leave your comments below if you think it's worth more. And yeah, but I've got a new one, that one there, and I just got rid of the vacuum cleaner. So it sucks to be me. Anyway, I'm hoping you're all having a great old day today. And from Australia, it's a beautiful day outside. Might go detecting for an hour or two this afternoon. I've got a little bit of time, so I might go for an hour and have a go at an area I've been looking at and see what that's like. Anyway, that's it. A quick video for you guys to have a quick look at. If you're into Ryobi batteries, please leave a comment below. We'll do some more. If you're interested, I can probably get some more. And yeah, we'll have a go at it. All right, and that's it for now. My bench is a junk heap at the moment. All those BMS boards and Yeah, I've got all kinds of different batteries. Oh, Brett, how do I set these up, mate? Leave me a comment. Bye. One last thing, when you're pulling these things apart, these are covered, but they're actually kind of pushed in with some plastic. They must have double-sided plastic. When they do them, they just go into these little holes. So when you take them off, this plastic will peel with it, with all the different connectors. Just watch it, because you sometimes can break these seals and you might short them, so be careful.